What's up, Nitro Pump here, back with another video. Today in this video I will be showing you how to make a YouTube Shorts video on a computer. But before that, if you're new, be sure to subscribe, leave a like if you think I deserve it, and thank you for watching. So, to make a YouTube short, the short video need to be under 60 seconds and preferably above like 5 seconds. Don't make it too short, because I don't know what kind of idea you could make that is under 5 seconds, but 10 seconds, 20 seconds is a good time. 40 seconds is okay as well, but just make sure not to go above 60 seconds. And the size of a video has to be 9:16. So I use this converter called Capwork. I will link it down in the description. And all you have to do is upload your media file, which is under 60 seconds, which you can just sign in using your Google account. Then all you have to do, once it uploads, it shouldn't take long, just a couple of seconds, drag it here, and as you can see, the video is already here. Now you have to click off it like that, and here's 9:16, and this is the final product. That's all you have to do. Just export the video. You have to wait until it loads and just converts it, which should take a couple of seconds, not longer, depending on how long your video actually is. It should be done in a second. You see stage 2 already. Stage 4 doesn't really take that long, and as you can see, now it converts. All you have to do is download it, and once it's downloaded, go to YouTube and just, I usually upload on YouTube Studio because it's easy for me. Upload videos, select the file you want, name it. You can add a thumbnail if you want, you don't have to though. I don't usually add thumbnails since it's only a under 60-second video. And once you upload it, you don't have to add any hashtag shorts or anything like that. Once you upload it, it just should pop up in a few seconds. You can just go to, I think it's customization, and to know if it actually uploaded as a short, it should be added automatically to short videos. And this is how you make a short video. Hopefully this will help you out. I really recommend making shorts if you a small content creator, because it's a good way to promote your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you on the next video. Bye.